Headlining the dinner menu at Greenwood Academy
Oh, we're making pancakes.
with a strawberry rhubarb topping.
Sugar, baking powder, and baking soda, and the flour and egg.
Our chef in training is third grader Sherlyn. She's just plain showing off what she's learned through the school's Each One Teach One program. From knife skills to sneaking a taste and prepping the batter.
It's helping me how to crack an egg perfectly. And also, it's also helping me by making a lot of food for my family.
So where'd Sherlyn pick all this up? With some awesome Greenwood Academy educators.
What is it, summer or something right now?
Who use the school garden to teach students more about science, literacy, and cooking from scratch. Skills they take home.
It's the best. You get to make food. Once you're mommy, you get to make food for your babies. Yeah, look.
While the pancakes cook, they replace the food they used from this garden. Fruits and veggies that students are encouraged to take home and cook with all summer long.